The sons were always quarreling with each other. The farmer was very worried about his sons. He knew that they would not be able to succeed in life if they continued to fight. One day, the farmer came up with a plan to teach his sons the importance of unity. He gathered his sons together and gave them a bundle of sticks. He asked each of his sons to try to break the bundle of sticks. The sons tried their best to break the bundle of sticks, but they were unable to do it. The farmer asked his sons to untie the bundle of sticks and break the sticks one by one. The sons were able to break the sticks one by one very easily. The farmer said to his sons, "You see, my sons, when you are united, you are strong. But when you are divided, you are weak. If you want to succeed in life, you must learn to work together." They helped each other with their work on the farm and they supported each other in their endeavors. The sons' unity made them stronger. They were able to accomplish much more together than they could have accomplished on their own. They became successful farmers and they lived happily ever after.